Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Scarborough, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move can be painful and complicated if you're not used to the heavy lifting. It involves all the belongings clanking around in the back, looking for a huge moving truck, sleeping at hotels, and much more. Moreover, you just need to take the day off to make sure all of these arrangements are set. If you cannot handle the situation yourself, it's worth choosing our seasoned Scarborough long-distance movers for your cross-country journey. They will handle everything associated with the move to leave you stress-free during the moving process. Our moving specialists are familiar with the best packing methods and will use high-quality packing materials. They will also make sure that your stuff stays damage-free during the long transport. Relocating locally might seem easy. You might feel that you can do everything by yourself without taking the help of local movers. However, your journey will not be smooth unless you have done this multiple times in the past. If you decide to relocate locally on your own, there are plenty of things that you need to be done beforehand. Moreover, there can be plenty of surprises that may come up in your way. For example, you may end up losing some of your valuable belongings, get hurt from the heavy lifting, or breaking any delicate items, etc. Recruiting our Scarborough local movers for a packing service may cost you a few bucks, but it will save you time in the end. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Scarborough moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.